Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings, then in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will search about the application of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.